to do this with the last one too, so that's probably in a better position. Exactly. Just sort of peel that back a bit, and I might need to smack the head of the cotter pin in the rest of the way. And then put the washer back on the bottom for movement, and the split pin fiddly stuff back in. The last one was easier, but this time, because I'm being filmed, probably doesn't want to play the game. Typical. Fragile little clip. Maybe because I had the washer down on the other side, and bend these ends back around like so. Try and bend him all the way around so he doesn't catch on anything. Okay. Number 2 changed.
Okay. She looks good.
Looks much better.